Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. Alright, what we have today. Today we have the Steelman Digital Tread Depth Gauge. What is that? That is basically a device that you can measure your depth gauge on your tire to see if it's time to replace your tires or if it's time to just rotate them with the front and the back. So this thing has a compact and portable design, auto shutoff timer, measures in inches and millimeters, and takes a pretty standard battery. So this thing was about $20 on Amazon, and I went ahead and purchased it because I needed to measure my tire depth, and I wanted to make sure that it wasn't time to change my tires. So let's get this thing unboxed and see if it's up to snuff. Alright, so pretty easy to unbox there. Just shows what the range is, resolution, and there's a little screw on the bottom, probably for the battery. So this device, it looks like you just have a little pin at the end that you're going to press down with your finger, and then and it measures very precisely the depth of the tire. That's crazy. You can go slow or fast, so that's pretty cool. Has an on-off button, a zero out button that you'll probably want to press when it's all the way inside, so you can always zero out. That's good. And then you have your millimeter, inch, and your inches and fractions, and millimeter. So that's cool. You have two different sets for inches and one for millimeter. So if you want to do pure inches, you can do that. I think the standard is usually inches and fractions, so we'll be using that, and I think also millimeter for me is what I'm most familiar with. So we'll test both millimeter and then inches and fractions. So the device looks pretty good. Not too bad at all. Alright, so let's get over to the computer and check out what the tire depth should be for my Tesla. So I have a Tesla Model Y. So anything less than 3 millimeters or 4 and 32 probably needs to be replaced. So we're gonna go ahead and measure my tire. So we're gonna do a couple tires here, 2 or 3, and let's see what mine are at. So I'm about at almost 20,000 miles, and sometimes I do drive pretty fast and do drive on some rough roads, so I wouldn't be shocked if mine need to be replaced. They do still have some meat on them. Alright, so we're just doing millimeters here, and yeah, 2.42. I'm just doing the first thread, so definitely, you know, it's going to be nearing the time to replace these soon. Alright, now let's go more towards the middle and try this one out. 2.29, around the same. So definitely got some wear. Alright, let's switch to tire number 2. Just readjust that there, zero it out. Okay, and then there's our inches and fractions. So pretty much the same thing. And to use this device, you want to make sure you place it right where the gap is, and then press down until it ends. So you definitely can see. So the tires are pretty much the same. I'm just going to try a third tire here. This one has 4 and 32, so this one has a little bit more tread. And the same thing, 432. Okay, and let's just do the last and final tire. And let's check this one out. Okay, it's back to 3 again. And the 3 and 32. So most of the tires are pretty much all the same. I will go ahead and just rotate them because the back tires are a little bit better than the front. That's due to the rear motor in the Tesla being a little bit more powerful than the front motor. But as you can see, the device works perfectly fine. This is really great. Something you can always check to see if you need to rotate your tires or to replace them. So I will go ahead and put a link in the description as to where to buy this, how much it cost. If you guys can do me a favor, please like, subscribe, and comment. That would be great. And I'll see you on the next video.